Brushstrokes of Unity. In a quiet, picturesque town named Harmonyville, nestled deep in the heart of the countryside, lived an ordinary man named Lucas. He was known for his calm demeanor and was content with his peaceful life. The townsfolk often admired his serene existence, but little did they know that Lucas held a secret desire deep within him. One sunny morning, as the birds sang harmoniously, Lucas decided it was time to break free from the monotony of his routine. He longed to raise a little hell, to shake up the tranquil existence of Harmonyville. With determination in his eyes, he set out to make a change. Lucas began by painting the town square in vibrant colors, surprising everyone with his bold choice. The townspeople, initially bewildered, soon started to embrace the newfound vibrancy. Word spread, and more residents joined in the effort, turning the town into a colorful paradise. As the days went by, Lucas' actions inspired others to challenge the status quo. They rallied together to address the town's neglected issues. They planted trees, cleaned up the river, and established a community garden. Harmonyville flourished, and a sense of unity and purpose filled the air. However, not everyone was pleased with the changes. A group of naysayers, led by the stern Mr. Grumbleton, resisted the transformation. They tried to sabotage the progress, leading to a heated confrontation at the town meeting. In the midst of the chaos, Lucas stood up and delivered a passionate speech, echoing the lyrics he had hidden within his heart: "If you don't like what you see, why don't you fight it? If you know there's something wrong, why don't you right it?" His words struck a chord with the townsfolk, who rallied together to overcome the opposition. In the end, Harmonyville underwent a remarkable transformation. The town had raised its own little hell, not through chaos, but through unity and determination. Mr. Grumbleton, touched by the positive changes, eventually joined the cause, and together they celebrated the newfound harmony. As Lucas looked at the vibrant town square, he couldn't help but smile. He had fulfilled his secret desire to raise a little hell, and in doing so, he had brought about an unexpected, uplifting change in Harmonyville. Raise a little hell, trooper.